Islam. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this bob wig. I got this hair from AliExpress Hair Company. It's a 10-inch lace front bob wig. It's under $100 guys, and it's super sleek, super cute. Want my coin. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed it, the whole process. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. On your way out, watch my other videos, leave comments. I love comments, so make sure you leave a comment, and you know, let's be friends. My details to my other social media accounts are also going to be left in my description box, with also the details to where I got this hair from, how I got it, and all of that. I'll also say lots of stuff on it during the course of this video. So if you guys want to see how I installed this beautiful wig, keep on watching guys, because this is like the shit, you know. So this is the hair I'll be reviewing. My first hair review actually is a wig I got from an AliExpress hair company, but I was actually contacting them on WhatsApp. So I'll leave all the details to where I got the hair from and all of that in my description box. So now to the hair. The hair came with DHL. I think it took about 3 to 4 days, and I'm in Gambia, so yeah. So it came in this packaging, very basic packaging. It's a bob unit. It's a 10-inch bob wig. So I'm going to show you. There are like other stuffs in the bag, but like I don't think it was important. So yeah, this is the wig. Like I said, it's 10 inches, so it's kind of short, but it's a bob wig, so it's meant to be short. So let's put the lace wig. So the whole front is lace. I don't know if you guys can see. The whole front of this wig is lace. And it has combs here, and then at the back and at the sides, and it also has an adjustable strap, the regular adjustable strap that wig comes with. So yeah, let's put this wig on my head and let's see what we're working with today. So the wig doesn't come pre-plucked or anything. The knots are also not bleached. Yeah, but it's a really nice wig. I like the hair texture. It's really soft, and yeah, it's not shedding at the moment. So now I'm just taking the hair away from my face so I can cut off the extra lace. So I like to cut from the middle, but you have to be careful so you don't cut your whole wig into two. I also make sure I cut the lace around my ears just so that it could be comfortable when I wear my wig. So now that the extra lace is cut off, the next step is for me to tweeze out my middle part. So this can take a while, so just be patient and take your time. So once I'm content with how my part is looking, the next step is for me to take powder and apply it on the inside of the lace in the wig. Alright, now I am okay with how it looks. So I'm just going to go on, and yeah, like I said, it doesn't have baby hairs, but I'm not really too bothered by that because I'm going to probably put in this hair in the middle part. Probably when I want to make a side part or something, then I would tweeze out the baby hairs and create baby hairs and stuff. So right now I'm very content with how this wig looks. And yeah, I bought this wig with my own money, so I am. Now it's time to lay down the wig. I'm going to be using my Got2b glued blasting freeze gel for this with my blow dryer, and I'm just going to like make it tacky, then slide the wig on top of it, and it's secured and it'll be there throughout the whole day. So to further define my part, I'm just taking a concealer and I'm going to run this through my part. So this wig is already straight as it is, but I decided to just go over it with my straightener again so you could be extra sleek. So yeah, that's what I'm doing at the moment. So now I'm just applying some hairspray to sleek down the flyaways, and yeah, we're done. So that's the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye.